Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. Today I am going to speak about the Varuna Mudra. This is Varuna Mudra. Almost 70% of our body is water. Varuna Mudra keeps the water balance in the body. Formation: join the tips of the small finger and with the tip of the thumb. This is known as the Varuna Mudra. Effects: Varuna Mudra affects the water metabolism. It helps to rehydrate cells, issues, muscles, skin, joints, cartilages, etc. The element water is associated with taste. This mudra is useful in the overcoming disorders like loss of taste, sense, and dryness of mouth. Benefits: this mudra can be used to overcome following disorders: dryness of the eyes, dryness of the digestive tract, dry cough, dryness of the skin leading to cracks, dry eczema or psoriasis, osteoarthritis, anemia and cramps, deficiency of hormones, scanty urination, loss of taste, tongue disorders, burns, pimples, itching and all skin diseases. Pimples, itching and all skin diseases. This mudra helps in removing dryness from the body and the tendencies, glow and beauty to the skin. It is beneficial in removing impurities present in the blood. The mudra preserves youthfulness. Unconscious due to sunstroke, accidents, or overcrowdedness can be cured by rubbing the tips of the thumbs and the tips of the little fingers of the unconscious person. This is very good for balancing the water element in the body. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.